Hey, this is not a regular tutorial today, but I wanted to show you something cool that I'm kind of working on. I'm working on these mech feet for a puppet character that I'm working on. And here it is. So what they are, they're two little legs that stick out. The knees won't bend, the knees will be straight, but they'll be posable. And it's for the character sitting down, and what he's gonna do is, his ankles are gonna turn back and forth. Now there's many different ways you could do that, and I'm gonna show you what I've been playing around with. Here it is, and let's take a closer look. Okay, if you look here, this is where the ankle is, and the joint's gonna turn back and forth like this. Back here where the spring is, that is the heel, and then up here will be the toe, though I'm gonna build it up with foam further, so the toes will actually be about this far away. So this is just the mechanism part, and the rest of the foam will be sculpted around it. Okay. Now if you look here, so again the spring here is the return in the back heel. Okay. And I have the string attached to the toe here, and it goes up, down the legs, on both legs, back to here. Now there's a bunch of different ways to do the control mechanism. Okay. You could do a trigger control like this. There's a sliding mech you could do. All types of different handles and things that I have done in the past. But I was playing around with this. Now I'm sure I've seen something like this before, but it kind of just came to me and started testing it last night when I was working on this. But this whole piece goes down like this to move the feet. Okay, you can see that it moves both feet like this. But what's really cool about it is that it kind of works like a toggle too. So if I kind of push more on one side, then it only moves one of the feet. So I can kind of work it like this, or both at the same time, without having to worry or even think too much about the controls. I think it's one of the most natural ways to control that type of movement of I guess two feet like this. So I just thought you guys would think that was kind of cool. I have zip ties going down to adhere this tube to the steel rod, because this is Teflon, so no glue will stick to this at all. So you just have to secure it in other ways. And I just thought you guys would think this is kind of cool, and I'll share some more progress with you. I probably won't do another video on it, but I wanted to make sure I get something out there because I thought you guys might just think it was cool. Now to make a mechanism like this uses very simple mechanical principles. Though a lot of the materials and techniques that I'm specifically using I learned from Jim Krupa at the O'Neill Puppetry Conference. If you're not familiar with his work, I highly recommend you take a look at it. He's the best in the business, especially when it comes to mechs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and like, comment, subscribe. See you later, bye.